Here are 10 things of what not to do at the Artist Alley. Avoid these mistakes. Hello, Artist Alley friends. My name is Sharon and I am an artist from Canada. So, are you gearing up for your first or maybe your fifth convention and you want it to go smoothly, right? So, here I'm going to share with you my top 10 mistakes that artists make at Artist Alley. And these are things I hope someone would have told me when I started. Some are small, some are big, and all of them are totally avoidable. So let's save some stress and some money and maybe even your weekend. Let's get started. Number 10, winging it without a booth plan. Just showing up with a pile of merch and figuring out on the spot is, spoiler alert, never gonna end well. Instead, I highly recommend that you mock up your table at home first. Take photos of your layout so you can recreate it as fast as you can at the convention. Preferably a setup that you can do on your own if you can. Pro tip, use painter's tape to mark your layout on a table or a floor because it's really practical for you to practice setting up with time limits. Number 9, no price tags. Forgetting price signs or worse, thinking people will just ask is not a good idea. Honestly, people will just end up not asking and they will just walk away. People want fast and clear information. So instead, make sure to label everything. Even better, use cute theme signs that will match your brand. Mistake number 8. Only selling one type of product. It is a big mistake if you're only bringing large prints or stickers to a show. The reality is different people are buying different things and variety equals more sales. So instead, offer low, mid, and higher price items and just think stickers, mini prints, charms, or like maybe doing commissions as well. Mistake number 7, not standing up or engaging. Sometimes it is not helpful depending on the convention that you go to sit for the entire show behind a table and hoping for the best. It is good to stand up occasionally or like sit up visibly to make eye contact and say hello to participants coming to the show. Even a simple like, hey, let me know you need question goes a long way. Here's a bonus tip. Wear something fun, whether it's earrings or a pin or a shirt with your own art. It's a great way to start a conversation. Mistake number 6, overcrowding your table. It is a very big mistake to try to display like everything at once. It can look so overwhelming and just look like pure chaos. Instead, use tiers, spacing, and clear focal points and rotate items throughout the day if you really need to and if you have time. Here's the rule of thumb. If it takes more than 5 seconds for someone to figure out what you're selling, then it is a bit too much. Mistake number 5, underpricing or even overpricing your work. Charging too little can result in burnout and charging too much can result in no sales. So instead, remember to research prices, know your materials, the time that you're taking to make the artwork, and know your audience. Check what similar artists are charging at that convention and also like not just online. Mistake number 4, ignoring your neighbors. Not saying hi or helping out your fellow neighbors and other artists can be a big mistake. It can make the weekend feel super long when you're just on your own and not making friends with other artists. Instead, make sure to introduce yourself, trade snacks, share tape, hype each other up because your neighbors are going to become your friends, your backup, and maybe future collab buddies. Mistake number 3, forgetting the essentials kit. Forgetting your key supplies, let's say tape, scissors, chargers, or even painkillers, can be a big no-no. Instead, remember to pack a con survival kit. This is what it should include, including tape, clips, safety pins, extra pens, markers, phone charger, hand sanitizer, snacks, and water. An extra pro tip is to make a checklist and reuse it for every con. Mistake number 2, neglecting your branding. People love your work, but they may forget who you are after the convention. So instead, make sure to have your name or like your handle or logo somewhere on a sign, a card, stickers, or even the back of your prints. Bonus, consider using a mascot theme or like a specific color palette to help people remember you. And here is the last mistake that you should remember. Never forget to take care of yourself. No food, no water, no breaks. You're human and not a vending machine. So make sure to take breaks and take care of yourself. Instead, remember to bring snacks you can eat with one hand, let's say nuts, granola bars, dry fruit. Stay hydrated, get a water bottle with a straw. Make sure to take small breaks and remember to stretch. Pro tip. If possible, get a table buddy, even if it's just for a quick bathroom run. So that is it for my top 10 mistakes to avoid at a artist alley. Here is my final quickfire bonus tips to remember. Number 1, don't use weak tape on poster. It's going to fall apart. Number 2, don't block your own art with signs or clutter. Number 3, don't be afraid to say no to unreasonable requests. You're there to enjoy the experience and grow your brand, so don't forget to have fun. So there you have it, the top 10 mistakes to avoid at Artist Alley. Which one were you surprised by the most? Or have you made one of these mistakes before? No judgment, we've all been there before. Feel free to drop your own horror story or hard lessons in the comments below. I would love to hear from you. If this helps you out, hit that like button and consider subscribing for more Artist Alley tips, and I'll see you in the next one. Hope it works out and happy tabling, everyone. Bye for now.